taking science out of the classroom, a couple of thousands of miles out. Alex Dimitruk reports on a research project that sends some Baltimore high school students into the Arctic.
Science class for some students at Park School steps out of the classroom twice a year to the self-proclaimed polar bear capital of the world, the small Arctic community of Churchill at the edge of Hudson's Bay.
I didn't think that I could be out in the middle of nowhere with no service and with no kind of connection to the outside world, but it was actually amazing.
So is what's happening to the Arctic. Warming water is impacting ice animals like polar bears depend on. Each summer, more melts away and takes longer to refreeze in winter. The Park School is part of a 30-year research project made up of scientists, college, and high school students.
The umbrella is climate change. We want to learn more about what has been the impact of climate change on Churchill.
By collecting data on polar bears, their numbers, their size, and weight. For safety, it's done from tundra buggies for the students. The work photographed close-ups of the bears' faces to collect whisker prints, since no two bears have the same exact whiskers.
Just trying to tackle that and not kind of knowing what you're going to get out of it, and just learning that that's science.
And knowing this research will take 30 years is a lesson all its own.
Actually being with the real data and contributing to a study that's much longer, that'll outlast us.
Just being able to work on a project that's so much bigger than all of us.
A warming world that threatens to change more than the Arctic. Alex Dimitruk, WJZ.
And polar bear studies in November aren't the only trip the students make. A second group goes to Churchill in the summer to collect data on thawing the permafrost. That would be more up my alley.
Yeah, but this is a real serious situation.
Oh,
I'm
no,
glad they're looking into it.
Absolutely,
really, yeah.
And to learn at such a young age is amazing. Yeah.